Hi everyone, this video tells you more about MySQL functions. MySQL functions are categorized into two types. First is single row or scalar function. Second is multiple row, group or aggregate functions. Single row functions are of three types: string, numeric, date and time function, and the five functions are max, min, average, sum and count functions. These are the aggregate function which you have studied in class 12th only. Next is single row functions. These functions work on the single row and always return only one output. They are categorized into three types. First is numeric function, second is character function, and next is date and time function. Look at the few functions of each of the following. First is numeric function. Power, round, sqrt are the functions. Mod, abs, seal and floor are the numeric functions. Next is upper, lower, concat, left, right, len, substring function in str, trim, rtrim, ltrim. These are the character functions. Now, date, year, month name, day name, date, and time are the date and time functions. Now, I'll come to mathematical functions that are numeric functions. First is power. It always returns the raised to the power value. See the example. Select power 2 comma 4. It gives us the raised to the power of 2 comma 4. 2 raised to the power 4, that is 16. I can also write it like this. Select power 2 comma 4. Then the answer remains the same. Next function is mod function. It gives you the remainder. See the example. If I'll do mod 9 comma 5, it will give me the remainder 4. Next is absolute function. This function gives you the absolute value of x, means all the negative values are converted into the positive values. So here negative 7 is converted into positive 7. Next function is sqrt function. It gives you the square root of the function. See the example here. Sqrt 9. 9 will gives you the square root and the answer will be 3. Floor function. It round up any positive or negative value down to the next least integer value. So if I'll write floor 3.6 here, then it will makes 3. If I'll write floor 3.3, then it will become 3. Because 3.6 takes you to the next least integer value. 3.3 takes you to the next least integer value. And in seal, it round up any positive or negative decimal value up to the next highest integer value. So the example will be seal 3.6 will become 4, highest integer value. Seal 3.3 again is the next highest integer value. Clear? Next function is round function. Round function returns the value of x rounded off to the whole integer that is nearest to it. So the example is round 3.6, it gives you 4. Round 3.4, it gives you 3. So we have to see the decimal value after it. Here in the example 3.6, 0.6 is greater than 5, so it will goes to the nearest highest integer value. And if after decimal the value is less than 5, then it will remains to the least integer value, that is 3. See the next example. Round 3.63 comma 1, it means 1 is the precision value. 3.16 will remain here. Now the increment of 6 always depend on the next value of the 6, that is 3. So 3 is less than 5, it means there will be no increment in 6. Now see here 3.65 comma 1, after 6 5 is there, so 5 or more than 5 value is there, then increment will be hit there only. Then the value is automatically 3.7. Just try on your systems. Next example is select round 9.698 comma 2, means now we have to keep two values after decimal, so we have to see the third digit. We have to keep two values after decimal, we have to see the third digit. Now third digit should be greater than 5 if you want to increment the second digit. So here 8 is greater than 5, 5 or greater than 5, 8 is greater than 5 definitely. So the value is incremented. Now 69 becomes 70. Now answer is 9.70. See here in the next example, round 9.693 comma 2. Here point after decimal point there should be two values, so we have to see the third one. If third one is less than 5, then there is no increment, so the answer will remain like this, 9.69. Clear? Text or character functions. First is U case or upper. It converts the text written into the uppercase. See the example here, upper Python I had written. All the characters written in the Python is converted into uppercase. See the next one, lower. It returns all the values in lowercase. See the example, L case Python, all the characters written in the brackets is converted into lowercase. Next is left. It returns the leftmost number of characters as specified. It means it gives me the left side characters and it will count according to the value given here. So the answer will be RA because only two characters will be asked. Next is right function. Right function will give you the rightmost characters according to the number specified. So see here in the example, select right name comma 2. So we have taken name, now the attribute of the table member. Comma 2 means I want only two characters from the right side. So now see the example and the answer will be UL, JA, null and JA. Means maybe the first name is Rahul. So the last two characters are there. Second name is Anuja. The last two characters are JA. The third value is null. So no extraction will be done. Next again is Anuja. Then the rightmost values are JA given. Next function is concat function. Concat function is used to join the two fields or the two text, whatever you will give. So I had given select concat name comma mem id from member. So name and mem id are the field name, means attributes. So see the example, Rahul 101, Anuja 102, null, no joining with null because null means blank. Anuja 104. Clear? Now we'll move to the next. Next function is length function. It will tell me the length of the text given or any field given. So here the example goes, I had written Python programming. The answer is 18. Next function is ltrim function. It removes the leading spaces. So in example, if I'll write this leading space here, then the answer is Python. It removes all the leading spaces. Rtrim function, it removes the trailing spaces. Means all the spaces which are present on the right side will be removed. Clear? Next is trim function. It removes leading as well as the trailing spaces. See, left spaces and right spaces both are removed from the output. But it take care. It never remove the spaces from between. Trim only remove the spaces from the left side or from the right side. The spaces present in between will remains like that only. Now the next is mid, sub-str and substring functions. It returns me the substring from the given string. See the example. Select substring MySQL class 5 comma 6. Here 5 stands from start and 6 is number of characters you required. So it starts from 5. Count it from here. My M 1 2 3 4 5. So we will start from L. And preceding 6 characters I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is L class. Clear? See the next example. Select substring. Here I have given name attribute of the member class. Name 1 comma 2 means I have to start from the character 1 and I want only two characters from member table. So see the answer. Answer is RAAN null AN. RA from Rahul, AN from Anuja, null is null because it is blank, and AN again is Anuja. Clear? Next function is in str function. It will return the index of the first occurrence of substring. See the example here. If I'll return in str MySQL, comma MySQL. So this MySQL I want, it will return me the first occurrence of the my SQL. So the first occurrence is on the third position. So it will return me the position of the first occurrence. 1, 2 and 3. From 3 SQL is starting. So 3 will be the answer. Clear? Next is date and time function. First is now function. It will give me the system current date and time. Next function is date function. It will extract the date from date or time expression or from the given date. So I had written date and time expression in between. So it will extract the date from it. Now similarly I had written the next function year. It will extract the year. Month, similarly it will extract the month from now function. Next is month name. This function gives me the name of the month in string. If it is 2009-01-24, it will give me January. Next function is cur date. It will gives me the current date. Next function is day and time. Day name. Day name returns me the day of a particular date. Next function is day function. It will gives you the date only. Next function is time function. It will extract only time from now function. Clear? See the next one is the assignment questions now. And these questions are from CBSE sample paper 2017. So students, these are the very important part. You have to take care and prepare it properly. Question number 1, name any 4 single row function and how it works. Question number 2, find the output. Question number 3, consider the table and find the output. Am I clear? Thank you.